Kramer's been in business since 1911. We've got a Midwest division running out of Wisconsin and Minnesota, and we've got a railroad group that works around Kansas and Nebraska a lot, and then our Mountain West division is taking care of Colorado, and we've done some work out in Utah. Our Pacific Northwest region operates up in Washington.
So the Rental National Account program through Caterpillar is a program that helps customers connect with other CAT dealers across the nation. And it makes it easier for them to roll into a new city. They know who they are and they get the equipment they need with a priority status. We're unique with the Caterpillar Rental National Account program because we offer dirt equipment as well as allied, non-Caterpillar branded equipment, the boom lifts, scissors, everything else. So we offer the entire package. And as a whole, we are larger than any of our competitors put together. So it's a much more powerful network worldwide.
I'm the equipment manager for the company. So we have a national rental agreement. We have negotiated rates. Our estimators are able to use that when we go into different areas for estimating, bidding the projects. And the national account guys out of CAT Corporate, like when we're moving into an area that we're not real predominant in or familiar with, we'll contact them, they'll pave the way for us, and it helps facilitate and expedite our rental needs. We have about 1,400 pieces of company equipment, and we may have equipment finishing a project in one state, it won't finish for a few months, but we have needs for equipment in another state. That's mainly where we rent most of our gear, is to supplement our company-owned. And as we're growing as a company and getting larger and more projects, that just becomes more prevalent year after year.
So this is Floyd Hill. This project is a widening project and it's addressing a bunch of safety concerns. We're going to be straightening out the roadway, widening out both eastbound and westbound I-70. We're contracted to remove about 60,000 yards of material off of this project, which the majority of it is solid rock. The equipment we're using out on this project is mainly excavators, loaders, dozers. We do have a track loader out here. Some of the CAT technology that we use out on the project, we've got some GPS systems on our dozers and blades. Really takes a lot of the guesswork away from the operators, and it makes us more productive in the long run. VisionLink is a great tool when the guys in the office can sit down and look at what machines are being productive, which machines aren't, what kind of issues we're having with them, if there's any alarms going off or check engine. It's very handy from a maintenance perspective. The CAT rental store and Wagner have been big participants in what we have going on out here, getting through the winter. Behind us here we have a forced air heater, and then we also have our ground thaw unit here. We're in the shade the majority of the day. We get about 3 hours of sunlight, so we have our own challenges of keeping concrete heated and the ground thawed out for building structures on. The reason we rent from the CAT rental store is the reliability of the equipment we're renting and the versatility of what equipment they have in their fleet. What pleasantly surprises me about the equipment we get from the CAT rental store is the cleanliness of the machines. A lot of times we'll get them out brand new, very little hours. They're all in good working order. Just a great place to shop. What I value most about when we rent equipment, it's being able to get something on a moment's notice. With the relations that we have with the CAT rental store, we've got the availability to talk to mechanics after hours, and not only that, but in a pinch, if we have a ground heater go down or any of our equipment goes down, they're right on the ball, just getting things rolling to get us up and running again.